What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to be enthusiastic because I'm really happy about what I'm going to do right now, but I am pretty hungover from last night. Last night was New Year's. I really got a pounding headache, and yeah. So I'm going to stop here at the gas station and try to get me some Speedway roller dogs and some kind of drink to hydrate me, and hopefully I'll feel better. But I look like crap on camera. So yeah, I just got a really bad headache. We're gonna stop, get some food, and I got Mason's truck right now. We're gonna take his truck back to him, and then we will go get my new truck. Mason's truck is completely done. We just haven't been posting about it because I want to do a reveal video with it, but it is completely done. It's looking good right now. I really wish I could show it to you guys, but like I said, just trying to keep that initial oh my gosh for the release video, and still have a couple little small things we want to do to it before we put something together. Oh boy, just got to Mason's. Bailey's got the gooseneck. We're getting ready to go grab my truck. I don't want to show too much of his truck, but I will show a little something right here. Just a little something right there. So don't want to show too much of it, but we will do a reveal when it's all put together. All right, guys, we just got back to Bailey's. With how icy and everything it is right now, I don't even want to try to turn his trailer around in my driveway, but I think it's about time that we showed you guys the new truck. I'm pretty excited about it, so I'm not going to drag it on any farther. Here it is. 1977 F-150 custom. '77, boys. Has a 302 in it with the auto transmission. I think it's a C6. I may be wrong. It's a really clean truck for the age. This truck's over 40 years old. A 302 in it. Pop the hood and show you guys the motor real quick. Has the Edelbrock carb, Edelbrock, it looks like Edelbrock, yeah, intake on it. Apparently all I needed was the DuraSpark box, so I got that on there. Should be able to just fire it up. But it's really cold right now. I cranked it for a minute, it wouldn't start. Has a little bit of rust on it, but not a ton. There's a little hole right here in the floor. Well, it's a pretty decent sized hole, but it should be pretty easy to fix. It didn't get, the rocker itself's pretty solid other than this little hole right here. So should be able to pull this trim off and tie that in behind there. Automatic truck, says 36,000 miles, or 37,000 on the dash. It's probably been rolled over there. This truck has the dual fuel tank. Some of these trucks, this truck was an F-250, would have the fuel tank behind the driver's seat, but since this truck's an F-150, I believe that's why it has the dual tanks, although one of them has been removed. The bed, I don't even think the bed's ever been used. It has no dents in it, just normal paint wear from being an old truck, getting all that sunlight. Tailgate's beautiful. I've never even tried to open it, probably just not going to, but everything looks really good. So I think it has one other little spot of rust over here on this side. Right there, has that. So I'll have to cut that out, fix that. And then this cab corner pretty much needs replaced 100%. Cut all that out. And the rocker over here as well. This thing is just so cool. It's just such a cool old truck. Some of the rocker's gonna need fixed right there. That's right there is probably gonna be the most challenging repair, because of these body seams that overlays that. So I don't really know how hard that's going to be. She's a little crusty inside. There's some questionable stuff. A lot of people, my friends, were already telling me I need to just leave. You gotta slam the door to just leave the paint alone, but I don't know. I mean, with the rust on it, I think I should probably just address it right now and just repaint the thing. I don't really care for the color, to be honest. A lot of people probably will, but I just don't really care for it. But the frame's in really good shape, but I mean, we're probably not going to need any of this frame at all, to be honest. So I want you guys to comment down below what you guys think I should do with this thing. I don't really have anything set in stone right now. We're just in the early stages, and this is a massive, this will probably be the biggest project I've ever done. So it's going to cost a lot of money, and I'm not just going to be able to initially do it all right now. It's going to be drug out for a while. So there you guys have it. I think me and Bailey just talked, and he thinks that we're going to be able to get this thing turned around. Let's go ahead and get it unloaded. So we are going to head to my house, get the gooseneck trailer turned around, and try to get this thing into my barn somehow. So I'll catch up with you guys when we get over there. All right, guys, we just got back with the trailer finally. Bailey was able to turn crew cab short bed around down here. It's kind of a pain. You can see the driveways. It's a really big pain in the ass. Turn stuff around, but pretty sure the rear end on the truck is locked up. So we're gonna have to pull it off with my truck as well. Real strapped. I screwed up. Huh?
Straps wedge.
It's
It's stuck in there. It will be.
yeah. Do you have like
Here, hand it here. I'll jerk it this way.
It's stuck in between the oil pan and the cross member. There you go. There you go. Boom. It's been in neutral the whole time. Really do. And Mason, you'll probably have to keep an eye on us and yell. I don't care about that bumper. Just that shit's not going on anything. The truck might try to like go sideways on the trailer, so it looks like we're gonna yank it off sideways. She yelling at us.
I ran the stretch trailer.
Is it really? That was sketchy. Oh, I should have pulled you forward more. You didn't even put the ramps up.
They're rolling. I don't think it'll roll forward.
I think this is yeah, that's the same wheel that's on it. Alright, you can pause. They don't fit over the hub. No, I would not drive on those. Hub diameters. You can see it's not pulling it. I mean, we can roll it around like that, but. Oh, yeah. She's a roller now. Oh, let me get my truck too. What are you gonna do? Just try back See, that's what I'm scared of. Is that straight from the battery?
You probably should hear. Hold up.
You hold that right there. Wait. Is that the right one? Yeah, that's the starter. There's like a bowl on these. I hate even laying on this truck like this, but I can't remember. There's a bowl on these somewhere that you fill it up. If you fill the bowl up, it'll run for a while. I think it's right here. It'll run long enough to pull it in there. I think it's right here. I think it's this hole on the outside. Okay. Hold this person. Okay, crank it. Hold on. Hydro locked it. We did. Okay, for a second.
That tire's locked up.